Learn and speak English. Hello, what is your name? Hi, my name is Emily. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. What do you do for work? I am a teacher. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a brother. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have a brother. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. How old are you? I am 20 years old. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Are you married? No, I am not married. Are you married? No, I am not married. What day is it today? It's Monday. What day is it today? It's Monday. Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Can you help me? Of course. What do you need? What are your hobbies? I like to cook. What are your hobbies? I like to cook. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. Would you like some tea? Yes, please. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoying new places. Do you like to travel? Yes, I enjoying new places. Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good, thanks. Can I help you with anything? No, I'm good, thanks. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How was your weekend? It was relaxing. How was your weekend? It was relaxing. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. Do you have any plans for tomorrow? Not yet. What's your favorite season? I like winter. What's your favorite season? I like winter. Have you ever been to Paris? No, but I would love to go. Have you ever been to Paris? No, but I would love to go. What's your favorite book? I like The New Psychology of Success. What's your favorite book? I like The New Psychology of Success. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your dream vacation? I would like to visit the Turkey. Did you enjoy the concert? Yes, it was amazing. Did you enjoy the concert? Yes, it was amazing. What's your favorite animal? I like dolphins. What's your favorite animal? I like dolphins. Have you ever tried sushi? Yes, and I love it. Have you ever tried sushi? Yes, and I love it. Are you sick? Yes, I am. Are you sick? Yes, I am. When will the meeting finish? I don't know. When will the meeting finish? I don't know. How long have you been working here? I have been working here for 6 years. How long have you been working here? I have been working here for 6 years. Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. Would you like to leave a message? Please ask him to call me back. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.